How to change friend's name on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your friend's name on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Snapchat. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you can head over to your chat section where you can see all of your friends. Now, if you want to change your friend's name, what you'll need to do is tap on your friend's Bitmoji. And after you tap on it, you can see all of their info and your info as friends. Now, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then there you will see an option that says Manage Friendship. Tap on it and there you will see an option that says Edit Name. Tap on Edit Name and from here you can change it. So here, change your friend's name, tap on save, and it says updating. It might take some time, but then it's done. And as you can see, you have just changed your friend's name on Snapchat. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye.